Hey guys, today's October 23rd, 2015, and I'm just heartsick that this beautiful uh, yellow-bellied woodpecker hit the window. He's been eating the berries off of the off the dogwood tree, and he's really enjoyed himself, but he has really hit the window hard. I don't know whether there's any chance he's going to make it. I'm hoping he will. So when you see a bird that hits the window, sometimes you can save them just by putting them in your hand and warming them up. I'm going to see if I can get this in a little bit closer. No, that's as close as I can get it, and I know I'm shaking.
All you have to do is walk forward and you can get all you want.
Okay. So he's really struggling. He's closing his eyes. He's in shock, and he really, really hit hard. Basically, it just depends on how they hit the window. Sometimes they can break their neck and die instantly, or sometimes it takes a little while. So I don't know whether he's going to have a chance. It is a male because he's got the real bright markings, and he's just such a beautiful bird. Now LP moved a little bit. He did move his head, which is a wonderful sign. There might be a chance that he might have a 50-50 chance here, because he's getting a little bit more of a life look in his eyes, or his eye. That's all I see is one. Yeah, he might make it. Oh, I hope so. Oh, Lord, let him make it, please. Because we've had so many birds hit the window. I want to put more markings on the window to try to alert them that they're going toward a window. But when these hawks are around, they don't have time to think, and they'll run into the window even with markings on the window. So he's still got his eyes open. Oh, he's moved his mouth. So that's a good sign that he's trying to come around. But even a better sign is when they start wiggling and trying to get out of your hand. That's when you sit them down, but you want to watch them to make sure they've completely recovered. Because if you don't, well, then a hawk can come in and zoom in when they're in a weakened condition. So, but he does keep opening his eye, and so we'll just wait and see here. Even though I'm getting freezing cold, I'm going to try to hang in there. It's in the high 50s, approximately 59 degrees right now. And whenever they're when they hit the window like that, I mean, they can freeze if the temperature's down. If it's a lot colder out, then they can freeze. So that's why a lot of times you can save them if you just take and warm them while they're going through this transition of recovery. I know I'm going to have to fast forward this, because it's probably going to be more than 10 minutes.
Moving his head more, and he's opening and closing his beak.
Yeah, he's moving his head more, LP said, opening and closing his beak. Oh, you're such a pretty baby. He's used to us coming in and out, which is helpful. He knows that we don't try to attack him when he goes to get the berries off of the... again, I can't just the dogwood. Just, my mind's not working. I know you were just trying to eat, weren't you? Did that hawk get after you again? Oh, I wish that hawk would move from the area. Oh, how. Are you just plain enjoying LP's nice warm hands, huh? Are you? You can do it. We've already had one of these beautiful birds hit the window earlier this year. Just a horrible thing. I hope this won't shake too much, but it's really hard to hold your hand steady over a long period of time, especially when you're old. LP's petting him on the head. It's making him a little more alert. You're just beautiful. Yes, you are. You're beautiful. Yes, you are.
I just should take one hand off, just let him lay. I think he's pretty.
Well, if you could hold him, say, maybe one more minute, let him get a little more alert, if you would. I know both of our hands are tired. I mean, are tired, brother.
That's the idea of whenever he recovers, he can go.
Right. When he is ready to go, he will let you know. I guarantee you he will let you know. And right now, I think he needs the warmth of your hands so that he can recover. And you know what? Now see, he's taking in. Yes, you need the heat right now, don't you? I hope that he's not too shaded. I hope he's going to show up because, yeah, I wouldn't try to move your hands much. Just, that's going to be probably harder for you to hold that position. But it might show him a little better. What you doing, sweetheart? Hmm? You're just so beautiful. Yes, you are. By him moving his head like that, that's just a wonderful sign. So now he's getting a little bit more alert. He still is not, oh, there he goes. Praise the Lord. He's gone. I told you he'd let you know. Thank you, LP.
Okay, buddy.
Can't tell if I'm getting you. Thank you. Come to the rescue again. Okay, get back to work.